Not many people know about this type of content yet, and you can even make it in the easiest way possible. In this video, we're going to try making unique content that you can monetize. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I stay motivated to keep making unique and interesting content for all of you. Here's the tutorial video.
First of all, you need to grab the prompt first. I've already provided it in the link pinned in the comment section. So for this prompt, you can just copy all of it. After that, just open your AI chat. Feel free to use whatever you want. As an example, I'll try using ChatGPT. After that, just paste all the prompts here and send it right away. Once you're done with step 1, you'll be asked which country you want to create the product for. So this time, we'll pick one country and just type the number at the bottom. As an example, let's pick number 1 for the United States and send it. Once that's done, you'll be given several product options to choose from. There are around 6 of them, and you can also enter a custom one or fill it in yourself according to your needs. Once you're done, just pick one here. I'll try number 1. Type the number 1 again and send it. After that, 10 video ideas will be generated, and from these ideas, you can choose whichever one suits you. You can read through them first, study them, and this time we'll also pick one from these 10 topics. As an example, let's go with number 7. So just type the number 7 here and send it. We move on to the next option where we can set the duration, and for this time, let's pick the 30-second duration. So type the number 3 and send it. The prompts will then be generated. In total, if we go with 3 scenes or 30 seconds, there are around 4 prompts provided. There's 1 image prompt and then 3 consecutive video prompts. Once that's ready, let's just go ahead and execute it, starting with creating the image first. You can start by copying the image prompt. We'll try copying all the way to the bottom. Once done, open your AI tool. Here I'm using Google Flow, and with a free account, you still get around 50 credits per day. Once you're in, just click New Project. Here, let's change the model to the image model. Set the ratio to 9:16. Use the Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2 model. Set the output to 2 so we can choose, then paste the prompt at the bottom, send it, and wait for the generation process. 2 images will be produced. You can pick whichever one suits you. As an example, we'll use this one, and this other one can be moved to trash. After that, we'll turn this image into a video. Just drag it to the bottom section. Change the model to the video model, use a 9:16 frame ratio, use OmniFlash with a 10-second duration, and set the output to just 1. After that, go back to Google Flow, paste the prompt, and send it. The video will be generated right away. You can check it here. After that, just open the video. Next, just navigate to the end frame, and here you can click the image icon at the top or Save Image. The image will be saved directly in a new tab. Just wait here until it's done. Once finished, go back to ChatGPT and grab the prompt for the second scene. After that, go back to Google Flow, insert it at the beginning frame. The settings remain the same. Paste the prompt and send it. Once the second video is done, do the same thing. Move on to the end frame for scene 3 and just save the last frame. Next, go back to ChatGPT and just copy the prompt for the last scene. After that, navigate to the bottom section here, insert the prompt, and send it. Once done, the final scene will be generated. Just download all 3 scenes. Then just edit all the videos, put them together, and here is the result.
That's all for today's video, and I hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video.